In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Wix DNS records. Managing your DNS records is crucial for ensuring your domain is properly directed and your website remains accessible. Let's walk through the process of updating these records on Wix's platform. First, navigate to the Wix website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Wix home dashboard. This is where you manage all the aspects of your Wix website, from design to domain settings. Next, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where various account-related options are accessible. Now, this is where we need to focus on the domains. Look for the Domains option in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Domains will lead you to a list of all the domains associated with your Wix account. Choose the domain that you want to update by clicking on it. This will open up a domain management page specifically for the selected domain. About halfway down the page, you will see an option with 3 dots next to it. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. From this menu, select Manage DNS Records. This is the stage where you get to the core of DNS management. Once you're in the DNS management section, you'll need to decide which DNS record type you need to update or add. Usually the options here are CNAME or A host records, both of which are crucial for directing web traffic properly. If you need to either add a new record or update an existing one, you'll see an option to click on Add Record. Click on this button and a series of fields will appear. These fields require specific information from your service provider, such as IP addresses or canonical names, depending on whether you're updating an A record or CNAME. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any outages or misdirection of your website traffic. Once you have entered all the necessary details, double-check the information to make sure everything is correct. Errors here can lead to connectivity issues with your website. After confirming that every detail is as it should be, click on the Save button. And just like that, you've successfully updated the DNS records for your Wix website. Remember, DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to propagate across the internet, so it might not reflect immediately. By following these steps, you ensure that your site stays reliable and accessible for your visitors and customers.